How to market a new school and recruit students. Even great programs need visibility to enroll the right students. If you're searching how to market a new school, here's a blueprint. Clarify your value proposition in one simple student-centered line. Build a fast mobile-first website with clear program pages. Use SEO keywords students actually search in your region. Publish FAQs, costs, schedules, and start dates transparently. Create blog guides that answer common career questions by program. Run targeted Google ads tied to high-intent search terms. Use social ads to reach demographics by age, interests, and location. Route all ads to focused landing pages with one clear CTA. Install analytics and conversion tracking from day one. Respond to inquiries within minutes, not days, to win trust. Use a CRM to track leads from first click to first class. Automate email and SMS nurtures with value-adding content. Host webinars, open houses, and sample classes regularly. Show real labs, faculty, and student projects on video. Collect testimonials and employer endorsements ethically. Publish accreditation and state approvals where applicable. Never overpromise outcomes. Compliance and trust come first. Segment campaigns by program. Avoid one-size-fits-all messaging. Test headlines, creatives, and offers. Keep winners, cut losers. Measure funnel KPIs weekly. CPC, CPL, apps, admits, and starts. Optimize forms for speed. Ask only what you truly need. Offer virtual advising and flexible appointment windows. Promote scholarships, payment plans, and employer sponsorships. Build counselor and workforce board relationships locally. Develop referral programs for current students and partners. Create content partnerships with local media and community groups. Track cohort satisfaction and highlight success stories. Coordinate marketing with admissions and academic calendars. Ensure brand voice matches classroom experience and culture. Centralize your media library for reuse across channels. Plan budget by seasonality. Invest ahead of start dates. Align marketing claims with accreditation and licensure realities. An accreditation consultant can review public disclosures for accuracy. Expand spend where ROI proves out. Pause where it does not. Keep experimenting. Markets shift, and so should your tactics. Recruitment is a system. Design it, measure it, improve it. Done right, it compounds trust, applications, and enrollments. Ready to launch a recruitment engine tailored to your new school? Publish transparent refund and complaint processes online. List accreditation and approvals in the footer consistently. Develop a style guide so every ad sounds like you. Localize creative for each campus or city audience. Retarget website visitors with helpful next steps. Use call tracking to measure channel performance. Map student journey from awareness to alumni referral. Report weekly, act on insights, not hunches. Want a recruitment engine designed for your exact programs? Call me today at 925-208-9037 or email Sandra at experteduconsult.com.